where are the ATP and NADPH molecules are used. So here the products of light reactions, the products of light reactions, the products of light reaction, ATP, NADPH and oxygen. So these are the products of light reactions. So here during the light reaction, the formation of ATP and the formation of NADPH and releasing of oxygen molecules takes place in the chloroplast. So here the ATP, NADPH and oxygen, these are the products of light reactions. So here the ATP and NADPH molecules are further used in the dark reactions, further used in the dark reactions for the synthesis of sugars, for the synthesis of sugars. So here more accurately the synthesized sugar molecules are glucose. According to our equation of photosynthesis, here the C6H12O6 form of the glucose is synthesized in the dark reactions by the utilization of the products of ATP, products of light reactions as the ATP and NADPH. So here the ATP and NADPH are products of light reaction. These are used for the synthesis of sugars. The synthesized sugar molecule is glucose. And then all the glucose molecules are further stored as starch. So here the starch is a polysaccharide. It is a stored food material in the plants. And then the oxygen molecule, it is come out from the chloroplast as a byproduct. Come out from the chloroplast as a byproduct. It is a waste product of the photosynthesis process. There is no utilization of oxygen in the photosynthesis process. So during the photosynthesis process, the water molecules are evolved or released or come out from the chloroplast into the atmosphere. So here the oxygen molecules are released into the atmosphere from the plants during the photosynthesis process. So here the glucose molecule is synthesized in the dark reactions. So here the ATP and NADPH products of light reactions are further used in the dark reactions for the synthesis of sugar molecules. So here nothing but the produced or synthesized sugar is glucose. So here the dark reactions which occurs in the chloroplast. So here these dark reactions are particularly takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. So here where does the dark reaction takes place in the chloroplast? So here particularly the enzymatic reaction, all the dark reactions are enzymatic or enzyme control the chemical reactions which are located in the stroma. So here all the dark reactions takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. And then these dark reactions are also known as the biosynthetic reactions. Biosynthetic phase are the biosynthetic reaction. Bio means in the living cells. Synthetic means the synthesis of sugars by the various chemical reactions. So in only one step it does not synthesize it in the chloroplast. For the synthesis of sugar or the glucose molecule, here the several chemical reactions are involved in the dark reactions. So here thus the dark reaction is a biosynthetic phase. So here the products, here the dark reaction or biosynthetic phase is does not directly depends on the light. It does not directly depends on the light. So here does not depends on the light, but it depends on the products of light reactions. So here during the light reactions the produced products are ATP and NADPH molecules. These ATP and NADPH molecules are further used for the synthesis of sugars, nothing but here the glucose molecules. So here the dark reaction or the biosynthetic reactions do not depend on the light reactions but depends on the products of light reaction. So here the products of light reactions are ATP and NADPH molecules. How could we verify the dark reaction is not dependent on the light, only it depends on the products of light reaction? So it is a simple, if light is available, the photosynthetic products are synthesized. So during this process these synthesized ATP and NADPH molecules are further used in the synthesis of sugars. So here the dark reactions takes place in the presence or absence of light. So occurs in both presence or absence of light. So here if the light is available, the photosynthetic process or biosynthetic process continued for some time. If light is unavailable, so here if the light is unavailable, the biosynthetic process is continued in the stroma of chloroplast. Here particularly the biosynthetic reactions which are occurs in the stroma of chloroplast, these are occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast in the presence or absence of light. If light is unavailable, the photosynthetic process or biosynthetic process is continued. Means the synthesis of food materials are continued in the stroma of the chloroplast by the utilization of ATP and NADPH molecules. And then if light is available, here the process is continued after the some time or for some time. So here the photosynthetic process or the biosynthetic phase is only depends on the products of light reaction. It does not directly depends on the light. Depends on the light. So here the dark reactions takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. The dark reaction which is used in the biosynthetic phase of the photosynthesis as a misnomer. So here the dark reaction of the biosynthetic phase of the photosynthesis is a misnomer. Misnomer means the incorrect term to the photosynthesis or biosynthetic phase or biosynthetic reactions to determine by the dark reaction. So here the dark reaction term is a misnomer. Are you accept this statement? Dark reaction, the term dark reaction is a misnomer. because of it is a correct. So here the dark reaction of the biosynthetic phase of the photosynthesis is a misnomer because of the dark reaction means these dark reactions are not occurs in the dark, so here these dark reactions are takes place in presence or absence of light. So here these dark reactions are not occurs in the dark. So here the biosynthetic phase or the biosynthetic reactions are not occurs during the night. It is a continuous process. It is present or occurs in the chloroplast in the presence or absence of light. Means it occurs in both day and night. So here the term dark reaction is a misnomer of the biosynthetic phase in the photosynthesis. So here the term dark reaction is a misnomer. So it is obviously correct because of the dark reactions are of the biosynthetic phase not occurs in the dark. So here these dark reactions are occurs in the chloroplast in the presence or absence of light. So here the dark reactions are not depends on the light but depends on the products of light reactions. So here the dark reaction is a misnomer. And then who was observed the dark reactions in the or during the photosynthesis process? So here particularly the CO2 fixation process in the photosynthesis process or during the photosynthesis process was first observed by the scientist Melvin Calvin. So here if we observe the experiments of వీడియో వస్తుంది కదా, మీరే కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి దాన్ని. Calvin experiments